I'm going to get straight to the point here. Many people, including marketers, are unaware of what the second most popular search engine is. Is it Yahoo? Bing? No. It's YouTube. But, we hear you say, YouTube is a video site. True, and its unobtrusive search bar has turned it into one of the most popular search sites on the planet. And for the astute internet marketer, it's virtually an untapped market. Imagine creating simple, popular, content-rich videos that people find value in. So much so, they trust you with their money. All because you shared information, advice, and recommendations. You might say that you're camera shy. If this is what has been stopping you, perhaps it's time you realize how big the opportunity is. Marketing with videos can be quicker, simpler, and cheaper than email writing, blog posts, and articles. Done right, your prospect wants to listen to every word you say. The best part, your timeless videos stay up for days, weeks, months, and years. Here's the kicker about YouTube marketing. You don't need to be in the videos. Do you want to know how to do it? Okay. Before I go further, can you do something for your cap'n? Let me know if you'll ever start a YouTube channel in the comments below. Before you get started on YouTube, you need to understand that to market a product, you need to find it from a good marketplace. One of the biggest and best marketplaces for products is Clickbank. Leveraging the power of Clickbank and YouTube to market is a lethal combination if you know how to do it right. Now you can do just that. Clickbank has created a course to help you master YouTube without ever being in front of the camera. I'll leave a link to it in the description. The course gives you specific strategies to overcome needing to be on camera at all. This means you don't have to be a YouTube phenom to make boatloads on YouTube, especially promoting already winning affiliate offers. You need next to nothing to get started. No websites, copywriters, or graphic designers. It's an infinite upside. With just a cell phone, you can literally create a Clickbank YouTube empire in a short period of time. Enroll in Clickbank's YouTube Ads Crash Course using the link in the description. It'll show you how many Clickbankers have created an army of little salespeople selling Clickbank products night and day. Each one automatically working to crank out Clickbank commissions for them. On YouTube, your prospects are looking for you and what you offer. They're watching your videos. They're engaged. They're looking for a solution to a problem. Not the other way around. They click and then they buy. Bottom line, you can be investing your time once and get paid over and over again. One short video can make you huge profits. Click the link in the description to enroll yourself. Act now. You can thank me later. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. You'll receive up-to-date information on everything entrepreneurial.